Number 4 is the AOSEED X-MAKER 3D printer. Introducing the ultimate marvel in 3D printing, the AOSEED X-MAKER 3D printer, your passport to a world of vibrant, multicolor creations. This magnificent innovation is more than just a printer, it's a gateway to an explosion of creativity that promises to captivate the young and the young at heart. But the magic doesn't stop there. With the press of a single button, watch in awe as your ideas materialize before your eyes. And for those moments off the grid, fear not, SD/USB printing ensures your artistic flow remains uninterrupted. Immerse yourself in the treasure trove of 15 mini-apps, each a gamified masterpiece, simplifying 3D design and unlocking a realm of possibility. And for the aspiring virtuosos, the gift of 2 free design software, the digital building blocks for graphic module design and digital clay for freeform sculpture modeling, transforms your visions into masterpieces. If you are interested in the fantastic 3D printer, check out the link in the description box to buy it.